Using washing powder to clean your toilet is a great way to get the job done quickly and easily. In this video, I will show you the best way to use washing powder to clean your toilet and achieve the best results. This is a great way to get your toilet clean without using harsh chemicals. All you need is a little bit of washing powder and some water. Follow these simple steps to get your toilet clean in no time. First, you will need washing powder, a sponge or brush. First, flush the toilet to wet the bowl. To start, add a scoop of washing powder to your toilet bowl. Let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes so that the powder can work its way into the grime. After a few minutes have passed, use a brush to scrub the toilet bowl. Be sure to get into all of the nooks and crannies. Once you've given the bowl a good scrub, flush the toilet to rinse everything away. And that's it. Why does that work? The washing powder will break down the grime and dirt in your toilet bowl, making it much easier to scrub away. Plus, the water will help to rinse everything away so that your toilet is left sparkling clean. Give it a try next time your toilet needs a good cleaning. You've just used washing powder to clean your toilet without any harsh chemicals. Give it a try next time your toilet needs a good cleaning. If you liked the video and it was helpful, then I'm happy about a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to my channel right away. If you activate the little bell, then you will always be notified when there is a new video from me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.